Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to create multiple YouTube channels under a single Google or Gmail account. If you found this helpful, please be sure to like the video and also subscribe. First, go to youtube.com and make sure you are signed into your Gmail account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, click Switch Account. You'll see a list of all your current channels. As you can see, I've already got multiple channels under one account. To click a new one, click your profile icon again, then select your channel. On this page, click Add or Manage Channels. This will show you all the channels linked to your account. Now, click Create a Channel. Enter a channel name and a handle. The handle is your unique username. You can also upload a profile picture if you want. When you are ready, click Create Channel. Your new channel will be created instantly and you'll be taken directly to it. And that's it guys, you have now added a new YouTube channel under your same Gmail account. You can now switch between your channels anytime by clicking your profile icon, then switch account.